Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Good Recipes. Today we're making the smoothiest, creamiest hummus. It's easy, delicious, and perfect for every occasion. Let me show you how. And here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Add all your ingredients to your blender or your food processor. Start with less salt and adjust later to taste.
We are doing it together.
Then blend everything together until smooth. Keep adding water, a tablespoon at a time, until you achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Your hummus is creamy and smooth, transfer it to a serving bowl. To garnish, you can drizzle some olive oil on top, sprinkle a bit of paprika or a whole chickpea, or add toppings like chopped parsley or even some dried tomato. There you have it. Now let's give it a taste. Pair it with fresh veggies, your pita bread, or use it as a sandwich spread. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more quick, easy, and healthy recipes. See you next time.